everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In this video session, we are going to learn the topic of online research method. Before starting discussing this topic in more detail, let me solve the confusion of that what's the difference between digital marketing research methods and online research methods, because both the topic are included in the second module of this paper. In digital marketing research method, this whole marketing method is completely focused on identifying the solutions of the problems related to digital marketing. Whereas in online research method, the methods are utilized for identifying the problems related to digital marketing or any other discipline. Means it can be related to political research or economic research or psychological research or historical research, any of the type of research. So though there are so many concepts like this online focus group, online interviews, which are similar, and this social network analysis are similar methods used in both the type of research, but still the purpose of executing these methods are different in digital marketing research and online research. So there is one shortcut to bifurcate this both the topic, that always keep in mind when the title comes that there is digital marketing research method, then write the methods related to use for solving the problems or studying the topic of digital marketing only. Whereas in online research, here you are using various methods for finding the solution of various research, not only digital marketing. So I hope now you can bifurcate this both the concept, and you will not be no more confused by this both concepts. So let's start this concept of the topic of online research method. In 21st century, in completely digitalized world, the scope of online research is increasing day by day. There are near about 90% researchers who are utilizing various online platforms and internet for gathering the information and data related to their research. There is the reason that why the scope and demand of this online research is increasing. This reason is the data collected with the use of online platforms and internet is less costlier than that of offline platforms. So here researcher can collect the data in small budget. Also the researcher can get the diversity in data. Means here one researcher can collect the data from the people present in different parts of the world, country as well as world. So here they get the diversified data, and so the scope of their research increases. So because of this different benefits of and significances of online research, its scope is increasing day by day. Now let's see what are the different methods utilized for collecting various online collecting data related to online research. So these are these different research. Let's discuss these all one by one. The first one is online focus group. Now, online focus group is similar to that of offline focus group, but here the focus group discussion is carried out with the use of online platform or with the use of internet. Here there are near about 10 to 14 experts who represent the group of persons or group of people showing particular characteristics, then share their point of view on particular topic. Here all the group discussion is moderated by one moderator who throw the question in the group and then expect the answers from different experts. This online focus group take an hour or 90 minutes for discussing on particular topic. The speciality of this method is that here the researcher get more filtered and qualitative data as compared to other methods, because here all the participants in the focus group are the experts and have in-depth knowledge of the relevant subjects. So they share their experiences, expectations, and their all knowledge related to the topic. This online focus group method is majorly observed while executing the research like B2B research, consumer research, and political research. Giving an example of the political research, you might have watched so many debates on various news channels. This news in that debates, you might observe that many a times the experts who has in-depth knowledge of the topic cannot is not present in the studio, but still share his point of view on the topic by using video conferencing and various online methods and digital devices. So this is all about this online focus group. Now, the next method of online research is online interviews. Online interviews are again similar to offline interviews, but here a researcher utilizes various internet platforms for getting the feedback from the respondents. These online interviews are broadly classified into two types, like synchronous interview and asynchronous interview. Under synchronous interview, the researcher gets the real-time responses from the respondents. We can say that synchronous online interview is a live interview, whereas in asynchronous online interview, researcher do not get real-time response from the respondents. Here he send SMS or emails to the respondents and expect the response from them as per their convenience. This online interview is again very helpful for researcher, because here researcher do not need to personally visit the respondent and get their feedbacks. They can simply get the feedbacks of respondents present in different parts of the world directly by using online platforms and internet. Okay. The next online research method is online qualitative research. We see the what is online focus group discussion method, and then what is online interviews. Along with these two methods, there are also so many different platforms from which the researcher can collect the data required for his research. So these all platforms combinedly grouped in this single method, that is online qualitative research method. Here researcher collect the qualitative data by referring various types of blogs, then online questionnaires, then social media, then trends and all. So this online qualitative research provides qualitative data to the researcher. Okay, the next one is online text analysis. This online text analysis is similar. It is a method which is used for making or executing review of literature. We all know that what is review of literature. It is simply a method in which before starting executing the research or before collecting the primary data, researchers research the various data already available related to the research, and this all process comes under is known as review of literature. So there are so many texts available on various online platforms in the form of articles, blogs, and then e-books all. So these all texts are referred by the researcher, and for collecting these all text and formats related to the researcher execute this online text analysis method for online research. Okay, so next one is social network analysis. From the first class of this digital marketing, we are continuously discussing on the importance of social media from the perspective of researcher, from the perspective of marketers, from the perspective of businesses. So here again, in online research, this social networking sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Plus are utilized for collecting data required for executing particular research. Here, the researcher can communicate with the with the respondent by using various social media platforms. Here he can observe and monitor the activities of people on social medias. He can understand the psychology of people before buying particular product or service from this website or all. So here the social networking analysis is carried out by the researcher under this type of or under this method of online research. The next and the last one is web-based experiments. We have already you might have heard that there are so many experiments performed by the researcher to get the expected result of that research. So here in online research method, the experiments are executed with the help of internet and online platforms. They particularly researcher upload the experiment on online platform, then observe the response of the consumer or the people on that experiment, and by recording all this and by taking graphical representations and all, he conclude the result. Majorly it is observed that most of the time psychological researches are carried out with the help of this web-based experiments. Means for collecting the data of psychological researches, web-based experiments are carried out. Web-based experiments are used by the researcher. So these are the different methods of this online research, which means once again this online focus group, online interviews, online qualitative research, then online text analysis, social network analysis, web-based experiments. There are some more methods for online research, but finally collectively they come to they connect to one of these categories of this method. I hope you understand each and every method very well, and if you are thinking to execute the online or execute particular research by using online research, so now you can do this all. So this is all about this, and in the next video session we are going to see one more interesting topic related to online platforms and internet. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.